Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to raise a complaint in Urban Company app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To raise a complaint with Urban Company, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Urban Company app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the account option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then among the options there you will be seeing the option that says help center or need help. Then you can locate the need help button in your service booking or project details. Then once that's done, select your issue, choose the relevant category that best describes your complaint, then follow the prompts to provide details of your concern. Now after filling in the necessary information, submit your complaint and you may receive a response or resolution directly through the app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.